Hello again! So far, we have found out how Webb will get into space, where it's going and how it will unfold. It's now finally time for Webb to start looking at stuff. But what will it be looking at and what is it hoping to find out?
Webb will look at lots of things during its lifetime, but one of its main missions is to try and find out more about how stars, like our Sun, are made. Stars are giant balls of gas that gravity is pulling together very tightly. So to find out how they're made, we need to find areas that have lots of gas.
Here's our galaxy, the Milky Way, and we can definitely see lots of stars, those tiny dots of light. But as we zoom in more closely, we can also see dark patches and colourful areas. This is called a nebula, a giant cloud of gas and dust, and where stars are born.
It is in these nebulas where giant clouds of gas are pulled together to make stars. But there is a problem. Because there is so much gas and dust, we can't actually see the star being made. The light from inside is being blocked by all that gas and dust. It's a bit like how you can't see the sun or moon or stars when the sky is cloudy. We finally arrived at one of the reasons why Webb will use infrared light. Because while we can't see through clouds with our eyes, infrared light does shine through. Webb will be able to see through the clouds. Let's have a look at a demo of how that works.
This is an infrared camera, a little bit like the one Webb will have. The brighter something is on the screen, then the hotter the object. Fran here is going to be our young star, recently born inside a nebula. As we've discussed though, the gas and dust of nebulas make it almost impossible for us to see inside and watch what's happening. Now, we don't have a nebula in the classroom to put Fran in, but we can recreate that with a bin bag. Now our young star is hidden. All of the light is being blocked by the gas and dust, or in our case, the bin bag. But let's have a look at what Webb, with its special infrared camera, will be able to see. Webb will be able to see right inside the nebula and watch as stars are born, helping us understand how these amazing things are made.
So that's that, a whistle-stop tour of the James Webb Space Telescope. Webb really will give us a unique view of the universe that we've never had before and help us to answer the questions about where we came from and what the future might hold. Thank you so much for joining us on this Destination Space workshop. We hope to welcome you to Dynamic Earth one day soon.